What we got here is an old garage that they're converting to a living area. Here we have a kitchen. You got your code requirement kitchen circuits. So I need another 14.3 over there.
Gotcha.
And I'm bringing power up through here, so I want to bring the switch leg up through there also. Good morning, coming from the Rewired team. We got a big old garage, that's Logan, my fine feathered friend. What we got here is an old garage that they're converting to a living area for his mother-in-law. I do recommend putting your mother-in-law out in the garage. Just saying. We're just doing a little rough in right now. Here we have a kitchen. You got your code requirement kitchen circuits. Looking to put your mother-in-law in the garage? Give Rewired a call. All right, so here's what I think we're going to do now. I'm going to cut that box in. That power comes here over there, and switch leg from over there. Switch leg from over there, power goes in there. This is a four-way.
Oh, okay.
So I need another 14.3 over there.
Gotcha.
And I'm bringing power up through here, so I want to bring the switch leg up through there also. And that will power these lights. Wow. Every electrician needs a scalpel.
Just a couple switch lights. Just a couple switch lights. Yeah.
We're going streaking. Peace out.
I'll say if you want, before I pull some of these up, if you want to strip one of those deals off, so that way I can pull it up and then drill a hole in
Well, we can either do that or come out here, right into this wall, come up that way too.
Yeah.
Counter. GoodRx works in over 70,000 pharmacies, including Walmart, Rite Aid, and Walgreens. And it works whether you have insurance
Don't worry,
or not.
I'm a trained
It's easy to
professional.
save. Next time you drop off your prescription, check GoodRx. To start saving today, go to goodrx.com/Pandora. GoodRx is not insurance.
This is what we're working with up here for some access. So that, we got our new switch leg pulled up already. Now it's just time to find the existing lights, which should be right here. Hey, look at that. So, that is not, not how you should do those. Big no-no. I didn't come up here with the right stuff because I assumed things were done properly beforehand. Never assumed things were done properly beforehand. Well, forgot to bring it back up for the rest of the attic work. Figured I'd let it charge down here. But anywho, got all of the kitchen / living room lights hooked up onto a circuit. We got a switch over here. We got a 3-way switch there. We got a 4-way switch right outside of the bedroom. And then right here at the back door, we have also got another 3-way switch. So that way, no matter where you're at, you can flip it on and off. Dominic, before he took off, got the outside floodlight and outside outlet done up. So the outside is all good on this portion. Also finished separating the lighting, so that way the bedroom has these 2 lights on its own little circuit, and the utility / clothes closet is also got its own light. Also got the disconnect for the hot water heater mounted and set. Still need to sleeve that. Have not landed much of anything yet. The lights are currently temporarily done up, just in case some other things need to get switched around, or some things might change between now and the finish date. But that is what I've been working on, and I'll see you next time.